लग्जरी रियल एस्टेट में सबसे बड़ा प्रॉफिट रेडी प्रोजेक्ट्स खरीदने में नहीं होता। वो होता है जब आप नेक्स्ट प्रीमियम डेस्टिनेशन को बाकी सबसे पहले आइडेंटिफाई कर लेते हो। जब मेजॉरिटी बायर्स वैलिडेशन का वेट कर रहे होते हैं, वेल्थ क्रिएटर्स तब क्वाइटली पोजीशन बिल्ड कर रहे होते हैं। और गुरुग्राम में इस वक्त एक ऐसा लग्जरी इकोसिस्टम शेप ले रहा है जो सिर्फ एक प्रोजेक्ट नहीं है। And right at the center of this transformation stands Shobha Aranya. Hello, this side your host from Vintage Vista. और आज हम बात करने वाले हैं एक और शार्प मार्केट ब्रेकडाउन की। No glossy storytelling, no emotional selling, only real numbers, real positioning and a pure investment logic. And today's project is Shobha Aranya, Sector 80, Gurugram. हर लग्जरी लॉन्च प्रीमियम नहीं होता। प्रीमियम तब बनता है जब प्रोडक्ट डिफरेंशिएशन मेजरेबल हो, और शोभा अरान्या का स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट डिफरेंशिएशन है उसका इकोसिस्टम। दिस इज नॉट जस्ट अनदर टावर क्लस्टर, दिस इज अ लग्जरी फॉरेस्ट रिजॉर्ट लिविंग कॉन्सेप्ट strategically placed adjacent to Karma Lake Land's 270 acres biodiverse golf ecosystem. Project's highlights are 31.28 acres total land parcel, 5 iconic high-rise towers, G plus 46 floors, only 4 apartments per core. The configuration includes 3 and 4 BHK. Size of 3 BHK varies from 2,836 to 2,860 square feet. Size of 4 BHK varies from 3,392 to 4,285 square feet. And at the center of this ecosystem lies 75,000 plus square feet resort clubhouse. And numbers don't tell the story alone. Real story is planning philosophy. Over 85% open green spaces, bamboo groves, eco ponds, forest trail, peripheral traffic, free movement, and a nature-first master plan. This is a calibrated low-density luxury, and in Gurugram's evolving premium landscape that matters. प्रीमियम प्राइसिंग को सिर्फ पर स्क्वायर फीट से जज करना लग्जरी मार्केट की बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक होती है। प्राइसिंग जस्टिफाई होती है थ्रू ब्रांड एग्जीक्यूशन सर्टेनिटी, इन्वेंट्री स्कार्सिटी, इकोसिस्टम एक्सक्लूसिविटी, व्यू प्रीमियम एंड लॉन्ग टर्म एसेट डिजायरेबिलिटी। और शोभा अरान्या इस सब बॉक्सेस को स्ट्रांगली टिक करता है विद द प्राइस ऑफ 25,000 per square feet. This is not a mass luxury. This is a premium positioning by design. Wealth creation here comes from 3 simultaneously drivers. Shobha resale confidence remain one of the strongest in the India. Luxury buyers pay premium for delivery certainty, and delivery certainty creates resale confidence. Second is ecosystem scarcity. Forest side golf community inventory cannot be replicated easily. Scarcity protect pricing, and pricing protection sustain appreciation. The third one is corridor evolution. Sector 80 is entering a high growth phase, driven by infrastructure maturity and surrounding luxury absorption. Capital appreciation potential is further strengthened by Sector 80's transition into a premium residential belt and the Dwarka Expressway influence. The project has already demonstrated strong benchmark movement compared to Gurugram luxury corridors, and this project deserves serious consideration. Luxury rental yield above 3% in Gurugram is considered healthy. Shobha Aranya benefits from large format luxury homes, premium TNet profiles, corporate leasing potential, and golf community prestige factors. Rental sustainability remains strong for disciplined long-term holding. स्मार्ट इन्वेस्टर प्रोजेक्ट से पहले माइक्रो मार्केट इवैल्यूएट करते हैं, एंड सेक्टर 80's बिगेस्ट एडवांटेज इज इट्स फ्यूचर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर स्टैक, growth catalyst which includes NH48 direct access, Dwarka Expressway connectivity, SPR integration, CPR 135 meter multi-utility corridor, NPR elevated expressway connectivity, DMIC industrial corridor impact, and future city metro expansion. The project has direct access to NH48, SPR, and signal free Dwarka Expressway connectivity, placing the project within one of the Gurugram's most strategic road intersections. Sector 80 is no longer emerging. It is entering structured luxury maturity. And once the transition fully consolidated, pricing benchmark resets. आज luxury buyer square footage नहीं खरीदता. He buys time efficiency. And Sector 80 scores strongly. Travel metrics are airport 20 minutes, office hub 20 minutes, hospital 10 minutes, and school 5 minutes, whereas mall and entertainments are also 15 minutes away. This project offers strong road lead accessibility. Metro remains the relatively weaker point currently, but the future public transit upgrades can significantly strengthen this. This makes connectivity score strong today and stronger tomorrow. लग्जरी का फाइनल टेस्ट होता है डेली लिव्ड एक्सपीरियंस में, एंड हेयर शोभा अरान्या seriously outperformed. This is a genuine eco-luxury living ecosystem, not decorative landscaping, actually lifestyle programming. 85% open greens, bamboo walks, eco ponds, healing gardens, forest groves, and nature trails. Whereas in wellness, we have 6-lane Olympic size pool, outdoor fitness deck, yoga zones, and spa and wellness facilities. For family and kids, kids play plaza, water play deck, kids pool, senior park, and pet parks. The club and lifestyle includes the 75,000 plus square feet clubhouses, which have cafes, reading lounge, indoor pool, mini theaters, co-working spaces, badminton, squash, gym, and multi-purpose rooms. This project has 5 thematic amenity zones with 360-degree clubhouses view. And for safety and privacy, no direct facing residence, no shared walls, traffic-free internal amenity movement, and low density planning. This directly strengthens the family livability. Shobha Aranyas delivers a rare balance of luxury, privacy, ecology plus spaciousness, and that combines is extremely difficult to replicate. Luxury corridors don't become expensive overnight. They evolve silently. First, they are underestimated, and then they are discovered, and then they become unaffordable. And Sector 80 today is standing exactly at this transition line. Shobha Aranya, Sector 80, Gurugram. This is not a brochure luxury. This is a strategic luxury backed by ecosystem intelligence. Thank you for staying till the end of this video. Let's connect again with another sharp project breakdown. Stay analytical, stay ahead. Stay tuned. Thank you so much.